is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and I thought something that I'd love to share with you today is how I work efficiently at my chair. Many of you might not know, but I still am at the chair in my own salon here in Atlanta, Georgia. And this acronym that I'm going to share with you today, all of our stylists use on a daily basis. Here's how it works. So at the beginning of the day, when I get my list of who's coming in, I write this acronym P.U.R.E. next to everybody's name. So P.U.R.E. The reason for doing this is simply because when I am busy during the day, sometimes I will forget whether I pre-booked, whether I upselled another service or need to add that to her ticket that's already been printed, or retail. I forget sometimes. I know as stylists, we go, oh my gosh, she's already left and I forgot to put that up front. This gives me a nice friendly reminder to offer the retail to her. And then also just the E that's so important in every salon environment now, and that is the experience. And I want to make sure that every guest has the ultimate experience in our salon. Most importantly, that customer service of pre-booking, upselling, retailing is definitely a part of that experience. So as I'm working throughout the day, I just mark the letter out once I've done it, then I don't forget, and it gives me the opportunity to do the full Mountie every time that I'm working on my guest. I hope this helps you work more efficiently at the chair, a little bit of a tool to make you a better stylist and to keep you on track. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.